Hi friends, today I'd like to play a game with my friend, Fanny Fox. Hi everyone, and my magic bag. Today we're going to be listening for the sound Sounds like the sound a spray bottle makes. Remember, we're just going to listen to the sound today. We're going to see if we can hear it, but we're not going to practice it. So let's get ready to listen and hear if you can hear it. First, I'm going to sing a song for Fanny. Fanny's name starts with F, and so does Fox. Fanny Fox. Fanny Fox likes fishing with her friends. She likes to find frogs too. The words that start with F are the words she likes the best. Words like Fanny Fox, fishing, friends, and frogs. Okay, Fanny, are you ready to look in the magic bag? Yes, please. All right, Fanny, here we go. What's the first thing we find? I found a fan to cool me off. Fan starts with our sound. What is next? Ooh, Fanny, we found a fish. Fish starts with the sound F. Let's go. I found a phone. Hello. Phone starts with F. Phone. Still more. Look, Fanny, look what I found. It's a fork. Fork starts with F. Okay, Fanny, last one. Here, you hold that for me, Fanny. What did Fanny find? Fanny found feather. Feather starts with F. Okay, let's sing our song one more time. Fanny Fox likes fishing with her friends. She likes to find frogs too. The words that start with F are the words she likes the best. Words like fan, fish, feather, fork, and phone. What do you think, Fanny? Did you hear lots of words that start with F? She says she did. She heard lots of F sounds. Thank you for playing a game with us, and have a great day.